Yeah, let me know my sides and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking hype and I got to know. Could I be your protector? You're buff in every sector. Every man around them want on your inspector. But you know let them threaten, I grill you with no lecture. But them pour a drill, now them fuel injector. And them are infector, disease collector. Now for them I go on like them want come wreck ya. Don't know the part where you got in your center. But you know you not let them guide it affect you, yo, girl. Just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my sights and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Come in on the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking hype and I got to know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Situation getting really live again. Tell them what be young out with the players and the riders every side of them. And them say them tired that the liars them. Fires and connivers them whenever get inside of them, they kind of them. Especially the money out of them.
Welcome to the full tutorial for Gimme the Light by Sean Paul. To begin this dance combo, you are going to do 2 chest pops, okay? Just think about pushing just the chest and opening up your rib cage, okay? And then it's going to be followed by a full body grind move. So you're going to slightly drop down to the ground. I'm going to break it down into a couple of parts. We have the leg movement, which is just a knee out like that. So we bring it to the left and we bring it forward and around to the right and in. Now I'm on my toe, okay? You do the same thing with your left. You bring it out to the left, around and in. You basically do that at the same time, but slightly delayed. So you want to do your right and then the left just follows behind it. So right, left and in, right, left and in, okay? That's the legs and they go like this. So as you do this movement, you want to be dropping, going lower, yeah? Lower and lower. Now, that's the legs. So with the chest, after you've done 1, 2 chest pops, I want you to roll, starting from pushing your chest out to the right, roll it out, forward, to the left, and back in. So you're going counterclockwise. It's a chest roll movement, okay? Now, with the arms, nothing. Just have them down to your side. Put it all together, roll, roll. Okay? One more time, roll, roll. So, putting it all together, this is what it looks like. Chest pop, roll, roll, dropping lower, to then go chest pop, to come back up, to then roll, roll, and go lower again. Once we've gone back down the second time, the next move is a step out, reach out with the left arm, and thrust in, okay, from the hips. Boom. Then repeat to the left. Step out onto the left, reach out, thrust in. Now, watch this back leg right here. Step, hit. Did you notice how it taps the ground, okay? That's what we want, okay? We want a bounce, bounce, yeah? There's a noticeable bounce here when we're stepping out, drop, and then there's another bounce when you bring your hand out, okay? Your hips come back, and you bring it in. Boom, ta, boom, ta, boom, ta, boom, ta. So with this move, there's a constant back and forth with the hips. Let me show you what that looks like. Step, hit, forward and forward, 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 forward. Add the arms, hit, 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 hit. Add a head, hit, loosen up. Add the shoulders, yeah. And that's the move, okay? So just remember, when you bring that arm out, you bring it out as the hips come back. Bring it in as the hips come forward. Step out, hips come back, body extends, arm extends, hit, boom, hit, boom, hit. Okay, so putting that all together from the start, chest pop, roll, roll, chest pop, roll, roll, step, hit, hit.
Just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my sides and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, I'm looking hype and I got to...
Now the next part, once we've done the second hit here, we're gonna square up, face the front again, bring your hands up. You're gonna drop down and hip thrust, okay? Simple. 1, 2. Then you're going to bring your arms, boom, like this, down to the outside of your body. Make sure you flare those elbows out and then push down as you body roll. Yeah? Hip thrust, boom. So notice how I push up. I straighten my legs as I come in for the body roll, okay? Now we're gonna do a crisscross step. You're gonna bring your right leg in front, your left leg behind, and jump back out again. As you do that, with the arms, you're going to swing them around like this, and then bring the left in front. The right hand can just move to the back, okay? You can just hold it back out there, yeah? So we're going to swing it around and down. Let me show you from the side. Swing it around and down. Yep. One more time from this side. Swing it around and down. Now when you put it together with the crisscross, it looks a little like this. And notice, as I did the crisscross step, I landed with the bent leg, nice and low, and then as I put that arm down, I pushed forward into the position. Then, from this position right here, you're going to wind back with the hips, sit into it, slight bend in this forward arm right here, and push, hip thrust. Wind back and push, okay? All together, crisscross, there, and hit and hit. Now, let's recap everything from the top and add on what we just learnt. Chest pop, roll, roll, chest pop, roll, roll, step, hit, hip thrust, roll it down the body, crisscross, hit, and thrust, Good. Now from here, you're going to bring your hands and go left, right, left. Yeah? You're going to slightly lean to the right. Now, as you do it, you're going to go open, close, knee pivots inwards, and then open. Okay? Knee comes back out. Putting it all together. Tick, tick, tick. Yeah? Now add your shoulders to it. Tick, tick, tick. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. When you finish the movement, look. Okay? Tick, tick, tick. Great. Now we just repeat the same move to the left, but it's slightly different. So we go left, right, left. Same thing with the shoulders. Left, right, left. And we do the same thing with the leg. Open, close, open. Adding that on, from here we go thrust, thrust, tick, tick, tick. Repeating to the left, tick, tick, tick. And then look forward on the last one. Okay? One more time. I'm going to do that really slow for you. We got crisscross, there, thrust, thrust, tick, 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 tick. Okay?
Just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my sides and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking hype and I got to know. Could I be your protector? You're buff in every sector. Every man around them wants on your inspector, but you know let them sweat.
Cool. Now from here, I want you to push out. Okay? Big circle with the right leg. Sweep it around and in. And repeat, sweep it around and in. To start that movement, you notice you would have leaned over to the left, finishing that movement, okay? What you're gonna have to do is you're going to have to jump onto that left leg. Even though your weight's already on it, you're gonna have to just drop onto it. Like catching yourself onto the left leg, if that makes sense, to get that nice big moment of a big circle, yeah? So let me explain how that looks. So I've got tick, 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 boom, okay? A big jump into it like that, boom. Sweep it around and repeat, sweep it around. With the hands, you can just grab the top of your head and run it over your head like that for the first circle movement. Left hand can just stay down like that. And then for the second circle movement, you can just push it around like that. If you've got a button-up shirt, you can, for the second movement, flick it out like that. Okay? Perfect. So, tick, 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 push, circles. Now, moving on from those circles, we have a simple hip-hop move here. So we've gone circle, circle. All your weight should be on the left leg here. You want to step out to the right and slide and bring the left arm up like that, okay? As you bring the left arm up like that, you're going to bring your knees together and open. As you open, bring your hands out like, what's up? Step out to the left, right arm comes up, bring your knees together, open. All together, that move looks a little like this. Okay, so we do two. We go one to the right, one to the left. Perfect. Now, from there, you want to step to the right, onto your toe, and twist. Get your hips involved with this one, and don't be afraid to step low and twist and snap up. Step low, bend into it, twist and snap up. Okay, we do two of those. Bend low, snap up, bend low, snap up. Really engage all that body, okay? Use everything with this groove. With the hands, you're going to right arm up and swap. Right arm up and swap. Now from here, you're going to do a similar groove that we just did before. We're going to step forward this time and slide forward. You're going to bring your arms into a cross position. Then, when your legs come together, you're going to open your arms up like that again. And then you're going to step back, okay? Onto your left, slide out, same thing. Arms crossed, legs come together, open up. All right?
Just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my sides and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking hype and I got to know. Could I be your protector? You're buff in every sector. Every man around them wants on your inspector. But you know let them sweat and I grill you with no lecture. But them power drill, now them fuel injector. And them are infector, disease collector. Now for them I go like them walk come wreck ya. Don't know the fun.
Now from here, you're going to do two hops, spinning around your right on your left leg. Hop, hop, jump. So easy. Let me show you one more time. From this groove, hop, hop, down. Okay? Once you've landed, land low. Lean over and bring your arms down. Okay? So you're going to go hop, hop, down, like this position here. Then you're going to pull the left and hips, okay? So just knock the knee in on your toe, let the hip come out, boom. Repeat onto the right, boom, just like that. Then from here, you're going to bring your arms like this, grab yourself, swing it around counterclockwise, and then as you finish that first rotation, bring it to just your head for the second one, counterclockwise again. Then you're going to drop, squat, low, boom, palms out, this position with your arms, boom. Hip grind movement once, hip grind movement twice. I go counterclockwise, but I push it out to the side, to the left first. I push it back, around to the right, and forward and finish there. And that's one rotation, okay? So it's boom, boom, okay? That's really important because we're setting ourselves up now with our hips already prepped to go right, left, right. And I go up, 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 yeah? So boom, I'm low, hip grind, hips, 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 and then hit, hit, hit. Then I go back down, opposite, left, right, left, okay? That's why we do the hip grinds in that direction. From here, I just open my left arm up, point, and hit, 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 hit. As it comes back around, I do this arm only, hit, 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 until I get to this position with my arms, an L shape, okay? Then I hold that shape and I continue. Hit, 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 and roll it up. Point, little jump forward, and reverse roll it all the way up. And that is choreography done. That is the whole combo done. Now I know I added a little bit on the end there without recapping, so let's do a big recap now from the very start. We have chest pop, roll, roll, chest pop, roll, roll, step, hit, thrust, thrust, body roll down, crisscross, forward, thrust, thrust, tick, 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 circle, groove, groove, stepping up, forward, open, jump, jump down, hips, hips, roll it around, just your head, drop, drop, hip, 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 open it up, L shape it up, swing it around, and roll it up.
Just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my sights and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking hype and I got to know. Could I be your protector? You're buff in every sector. Every man around them want on your inspector. But you know let them threaten, I grill you with no lecture. But them for a drill, now them fuel injector. And them a infector, disease collector. Now for them a go like them want come wreck ya. Don't know the part where you got in your center. But you know you not let them guy they affect you, yo, girl. Just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my sight and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Come in on the vibes and I got my dough.
And that's the combo in its entirety. Now, let me recap the exact timing for everything. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And that's the timing.